Okay, problem number 5 says the table shown below shows some ordered pairs that belong to the quadratic function h. Now remember, this is the same table we used on problem number 1, but now it's asking what is the range of h. This is h, this function is called h, but they want to know the range. And remember, we said that x is your domain and y is the range. Redox. Okay, so we're looking for the y's. These are my y's. So I'm looking at these numbers, only these numbers. Okay, and we always go from smallest to biggest. So let's look at the smallest number here. The smallest number is -8. Smallest. What happens to the numbers? Are they getting bigger or smaller? Are these numbers getting bigger than -8 or smaller than -8? Okay, so think about that when you answer this. And you can also, if you want to, remember we put it in the table, you can put it in the table in decimals and it graphs it for you. And you can see, you can notice that the quadratic looks something like this. Okay, the smallest number is -8 and the numbers get bigger, right? So go ahead and answer this question based on the information that I just gave you. This is the smallest number, and what is happening to these numbers? Are they getting greater or smaller? Okay,